Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Motorcycle Rewind. Just wanted to take a few moments of your time with this CB77 SuperHawk build. Had loads of questions about what I did to these plastic shock covers to make them look so good. Again, remember they were painted purple. We pressure washed it, got most of it off, and then we went about polishing them up. And I'm going to share with you what I used. This is not a paid ad, guys. So guys, this is what I used on all of the molded plastic bits on these old motorcycles that aren't painted. As long as they're molded plastic and they're colored all the way through. Like this side cover for the C200. Again, this is molded plastic. It's not painted. There's not a clear coat on it or anything. This is just this headlight restore kit. And I started using this headlight restore kit, one, because I had it and I said, well, that's plastic. The headlights are plastic, so they should work the same. And this is the result that you get from a... Okay, let me share with you what I used. And again, I used this Meguiar's. Use whatever one you have. Why did I use this one? Because I already had it. And so if you already have one, use that. I use this one, and it comes with all of this stuff. So 2 sanding discs, one's 2000, one's 3000, the buffing pad or polishing pad, the plastic X that you use the polishing pad with, and then this is the moneymaker, the headlight sealant and an applicator. You just put it on, and then you get this kind of finish. Like the one you saw on the C200, that was done probably 4 months ago. So it's nice. Well, you have to do it again, depends on how much they're out in the sun, right? It's kind of just like what you'd have to do with this. Like here it says, headlights stay clear for 1 year. So it may have to pick up. But these colored, these molded plastic shock covers or the side covers, or even like I did the front fender on the C200, all of that stuff you can use this on. So I just wanted to jump in to show you, and now I'll just show you the step-by-step kind of how I do it if you're interested. You can do this with any headlight restore kit solution that you have. It doesn't have to be this one. Let's get at it. So guys, there you have it. We made these suckers look good. And you can too. You don't have to go buy new. This is the same old shock that was on this bike when I pulled it off the truck. It's not purple anymore, and I didn't spend any money because I already had this, which is awesome. And did you have to use a little bit of the grease in my elbow? Yeah, I had to scrub on it a bit. Had to wet sand it several times. Yeah, you have to. But if I get this kind of results, I'm okay with it. So guys, thanks for watching yet another episode of Motorcycle Rewind. And do me a favor, like, tag, share, and follow us on Instagram at Motorcycle Rewind, and go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And while you're in the subscribing mood, just wander on over to our friends. Brickhouse Builds, Gold Guy, Moto Mango, Ace Cafe Bikes, Mile Zero Racers, Plan B Moto, Pete's Classic Cycle, and Lady Moto Bang, and give those guys a subscribe too. Thanks again, guys, and have a great day.